Assalamu Alaikum and welcome, beautiful souls. Ramadan is just around the corner, and whether you're fasting for the first time or the 50th, there are some things you absolutely need to know and do to make this blessed month truly special. So grab a cup of tea or maybe a date or two, and let's dive into the 10 must-know tips for Ramadan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Ramadan inspiration. Number 1, set your intentions right. Ramadan isn't just about skipping meals, it's a spiritual reset. Before the month begins, take a quiet moment to set your intentions. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve this Ramadan? Maybe it's praying on time, reading more Qur'an, or being kinder. Whatever it is, a clear intention will guide your heart. Number 2, plan your suhoor. Like a pro, suhoor isn't just a midnight snack, it's your fuel for the day. Load up on slow-digesting foods like oats, eggs, or dates. Pro tip, add chia seeds to your water for extra hydration. Trust me, your body will thank you by Maghrib time. Number 3, don't skip the sunnah of dates. Breaking your fast with dates isn't just delicious, it's a sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Dates are packed with natural sugars to give you that instant energy boost. No dates? A sip of water works too. Number 4, master your Salah. Ramadan is the perfect time to level up your prayers. Aim to pray all 5 on time and add some extra sunnah prayers or taraweeh at night. It's like a spiritual workout for your soul. Don't miss out. Number 5, dive into the Qur'an. Did you know Ramadan is the month the Qur'an was revealed? Make it your goal to read, reflect, or even memorize a few verses daily. Even if it's just 1 page a day, the blessings will stack up. Number 6, guard your tongue. Fasting isn't just about food, it's about your words too. Avoid gossip, arguments, and harsh speech. Instead, sprinkle kindness everywhere you go. A smile or a dua for someone can go a long way. Number 7, give charity daily. Even if it's just $1 or a kind deed, give something every day of Ramadan. The reward for good deeds in this month is multiplied, so don't hold back. Feed a fasting person, help a neighbor, or donate to a cause close to your heart. Number 8, stay hydrated and healthy. Yes, fasting can be tough, but don't overeat at iftar. Break your fast slowly, sip water throughout the night, and avoid too much fried food, no matter how tempting those samosas are. Your body deserves care too. Number 9, seek Laylatul Qadr. The night of power is better than 1,000 months. It's hidden in the last 10 nights of Ramadan, so don't slack off. Make extra dua, pray, and ask for forgiveness. Imagine the blessings waiting for you. Number 10, reflect and reset. Ramadan is your chance to hit the reset button. Reflect on your habits, your goals, and your relationship with Allah. By the time Eid rolls around, you'll feel lighter, brighter, and closer to your Creator, insha'Allah. What's your Ramadan goal? Drop it in the comments. And there you have it, 10 things you absolutely need to know and do this Ramadan. Let's make this month a journey of growth, peace, and blessings. Share your favorite tip or Ramadan goal in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Ramadan Mubarak, and I'll see you in the next video. Insha'Allah. Assalamu Alaikum.